day, this is Philippine Navy LMS Pilas. Come in. F3 coming. Roger, sir. Aquarius are your last port and your next port of call. Over. I am not for next port of call. Over. Dalian, China, correct? Correct. ETA, sir. ETA Dalian. Thank you, Navy Warship number 83. This is Philippine Navy LMS Pilas. Come in, over. I'm sorry to tell you that they gave you that information, over. Copy, and sir, what is your intention, sir? What is your intention on this, over? Please receive your message, over. Roger, sir, what is your intention in this? What is your intention? Normal navigation in this area, over. Normal navigation, correct? Affirmative. Roger. No. This is Philippine Navy. Autonomous stations on the line. Just management, over.
Chinese warship na naman.
Kasi pulse mo, wala na, sumasalakay na sa Pilipinas. Mga Chinese, di pa nakakit sa radyo.
Gagot ng mga Chinese na to. Oh.
Kung sa isang sabog yan.
Ay, nasaan na sila eh? Nasa
Dito na sa Zamboanga.
Pilipinas na ito eh. Ay, puta na lang yan. Dito ba naman eh? Magkadarot ng mga hype eh.
Daw, kung matatapang kayo, pumasyal kayo sa Basilan. Nakikita nyo.
Dito na sa Zamboanga, mga
Okay, kayo dyan.
tropa.
Wala ka tayo ng buhay naman.